Hi guys, this is Shauna with Glamour Kids Braids and Multicultural Training Center. Just coming to you guys real quick to show you how to wash, detangle, deep condition, and steam your little one's hair after you have taken out your box braids or braids, period. You must remember to thoroughly comb through before washing, cold washing, or deep conditioning. Alright, so I'm just going to show you very quickly. Right now I'm just washing the hair. This is the first wash. Rinsing, detangling, finger detangling. I'll also be using a easy detangler brush that will help remove all the little tangles and knots that's associated with natural hair. Okay, this is my daughter, 9-year-old, with 4C hair, very thick, very coarse, very full, might I add. So what you see here is just me going through section by section. After detangling with my hands, I go in with my detangler brush, which works magic. So this little device. Now here, I'm just separating down the middle so I can work the product in the second time. This is the second wash. And this time I'm just going to go through and work it on the scalp. I do have my scalp massager, as well as instead of using nails or your hands, if you have long nails, you want to go ahead and use this rubberish device. Now you can clearly see that I use too much shampoo, so I'm just gonna transfer a little bit of that shampoo from the left side over to the right side. I'm gonna work that product in. I'm gonna open it up in each section to get in there, because with very thick, coarse, full hair, you want to be able to get to the scalp. We are not just cleaning the hair itself, we are cleaning the scalp. We want to make sure the scalp is fully cleansed, because she had box braids in for 6 weeks. 6 weeks of oil, dirt, sweat, and all of the stuff that kids attract when they're playing and rolling around on the carpet, you know, outdoors and things of that nature. So I want to get in there and clean very well. So here I'm just going to show you really quick. This is just a little device that I have. I've had this hair steamer for over 5 years. I just removed the top, which is like a hooded dryer, but it's a hooded steamer. So I just removed the hood and just make sure I place my device far away from, but close enough for the steam to get to the hair. So right now I am being very cautious, very careful. So before I apply the deep condition treatment, I go ahead and get some steam into her hair and scalp. Okay, I just kind of move it around to make sure the steam is getting on different parts of the hair. This is me just applying the step 1 deep condition treatment. And I'm just trying some new deep condition treatments to help see what it does. Before committing to a large size product, I normally would just try out something like a sample size to see if it actually worked before I commit into buying a larger size product. Okay, so what I'm doing is just kind of finger detangling and also kind of going through making sure the product is distributed from the hair all the way to the scalp. I rinse that out with cool water, okay? Because the steam is running on her hair, it's gonna just open up her cuticles, allow the product to really penetrate throughout the shaft of her hair, also through the to the scalp as well. All right, so I'm gonna do that step 2, which is the cream base deep condition. I'm gonna try to get it all in, front, back, side, in the middle, and then I'm gonna try to work it in with my fingers. So my steamer is still going. All right, and that thing is pretty warm, so I have to move very quick so I won't burn my hands. But normally, if you have a substitute, instead of using the little steamer, you can use a plastic cap with a hooded dryer, or you can also use a they call it microwavable steam caps that you can purchase as well. And you put your plastic cap, shower cap on, and then your steamer cap, and let that sit on for about 10 to 20 minutes, sometimes a little longer, just all depends. So I'm just trying to open up her hair. Her hair is so thick, guys. It's so thick. It's really thick. Oh, and it's like, it's like a forest. I have to just open up different parts of her branches to get to the roots. Yes, it is coarse. It's thick. All right, so I'm gonna rinse it out with cool water. And wash day for us can take anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna wash that out with cool water, making sure I'm getting in there. Normally, you want to go through section by section to make sure all of the product is out of the hair. If not, the product that's stuck to the scalp, it will cause, pores to be clogged, and you don't want to clog your child's pores on the scalp, because it won't allow it to grow the correct way. So we want to be able to clean it. Here I'm just drying her hair, towel blotting. Well, actually it's not a towel, it's just a cotton t-shirt. So I'm just going through gently, trying to make sure that there's no lint, no product residue from the box braids. Yeah, I'm smelling it as well, because you you want to smell the hair. I don't know, I need to smell the scalp. I need to just smell the hair. But that's pretty much it. We just washed twice, deep condition, got to the scalp, make sure the hair itself is pretty clean, and we did a very, very good job. I like the results of her hair being so clean. So after this, I'm just going to 2-strand twist her hair, and we are going to call it a day. But that's pretty much it. Just make sure your child's hair is thoroughly clean, that you're able to see it with no product residue, no lint, no knots.